chicken schnitzel with sweet and sour red cabbage. So we have a handful, a little palmful of juniper berries. That's these funny little guys. So I've got a big old fresh bay leaf. I've got some juniper berries. And we're going to add it to a pot where I've already got in butter and olive oil a couple of red onions cooking down. So we're going to add the cabbage to the onions. And then we're going to get the cabbage to release its juices by adding in a good amount of salt and some black pepper. Give this quite a good stir. So what I'm going to do is partially cover the pot to trap most of the heat and let a little bit of steam escape. Now, where's the sweet and sour, right? Well, this is how we're going to create the sweet and sour. Cider vinegar or the underused and underappreciated white vinegar, either one works. Light brown sugar. And I make mine with half a cup each of the vinegar and some chicken broth or bone stock, and then about a third of a cup of brown sugar or light brown sugar, okay? I love to layer in flavor every place I can when I make cutlets, whether they're eggplant or chicken or veal or pork or beef, yada yada. So here in the first pan, I have flour seasoned with a little white pepper. Then I have these beautiful Araucana eggs, the bright orange eggs. In the breadcrumbs, we have ground ginger, lemon peel, cumin, caraway, garlic, and nutmeg, freshly grated nutmeg. So all of that is right here mixed with panko and fine breadcrumb. And per every 2 cups, I use about 2 teaspoons each of the garlic, the cumin, and the caraway. And I use about 1 teaspoon of the lemon and 1 teaspoon of the ginger. So all of this is going to layer in so much flavor. The chicken, these are just boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into cutlets, halved across. This is about a 1/4 inch of innocuous oil. They're just oil with no flavor, basically. You guys know the drill with this. We take our thin pieces of chicken, shake off the excess, egg, shake off the excess, and I like to put in a couple at a time. Like, we have to cook these in batches, of course, but I like to put in as much as the pan will hold at one time. Last batch coming out, screaming hot planks of beautiful crispy chicken cutlet. Then I'm going to take my lemon wedges, 1 per cutlet. And now, my favorite part of this sweet and sour cabbage, it already has tons of flavor, sugar and salt, of course, sweet and sour. But I like to add chili crisp too. So it's got a little bit of heat, and it's got the texture of the chili itself, right? Delightful. And I love to add lots of fresh dill. Oh, what a gorgeous meal.